Hello everyone, welcome back to Delft Stack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the background of an image. If you want to upload an image to your PowerPoint slides and you have some background issues, so what you have to do first is add an image here. We'll go to Insert, then Pictures, and upload it from the device. Then I will choose this one here and we can insert it now. The problem is that I just want the front penguin and I don't want its background. What you have to do is click on the image and on the left corner you will see Remove Background. Click on Remove Background and now you can see this. This will appear automatically and you can also refine it by marking areas to remove. I don't want these areas here and this one as well. Now I will mark the areas to keep like this and keep doing this until you're satisfied. So this is how we can remove the background of an image. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.